Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the pickup roller and the separation pad on Samsung M2675 model. There are a lot of models of Samsung which work with this kind of pickup, so you will find them in the description below. Now remove the paper tray. Rotate the printer on the rear side carefully, and this is our pickup roller. We need to change it. First, we have to release this metal bracket. Unscrew from the right side, unscrew a little the left screw, and now we are ready to replace the paper fit roller assembly. There are two screws on the both sides of the assembly. We have to unscrew them. One, two, slide to the right, then take out the module. Let's take the new one. Now in a reverse order, place the new one. Slide to the left. Screw back the screws of the assembly. Now the metal bracket. And now we have changed the pickup roller assembly. Now I will show you how to replace the separation pad from the paper tray. Here is our paper tray, and this is the retard roller, also the separation roller. How to replace it? With a small flat screwdriver. Open carefully. It will pop up. There are two springs here. Don't lose them. Then take out from the left side and slide to the left to release the separation pad. If you have this module, whole module, just replace it by taking out from the right side and place the new and back in the printer. I have found only the rubber, so I will replace the rubber using a sharp knife. Carefully cut off the rubber. Be careful. put the new rubber on the base. And now put it back here. And now first from the right side, then from the left, put the springs down in its place and close the plastic cover, and that's it. So thank you very much, good luck.